there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I am so excited to tell you all about these beautiful appetizer plates by Chic Leaf. I think what I love most about them is their durability. These are most definitely the sturdiest disposable plates that I have ever used. Look at the grain on them. You can see how they are made. They're very sturdy and very well made. They are made from a single palm leaf, each of them, hand-picked and ready for you to use. Look at how durable they are. I love that these stand up to the heat or the cold. You can microwave them or put ice cream on them and they're not going to get soggy. We had ourselves a little get together and invited some friends over, and these are the plates that we used, and they were perfect. They withstood everything that we had. We had sliders and wings, coleslaw, all kinds of different appetizers, and they were perfect. Nobody was complaining of soggy hands or their plates breaking, and we loaded these things up, let me tell you. I think that these plates would be perfect for any kind of get-together that you have. If you're having a barbecue or even a wedding, these would be perfect plates for cake or cupcakes. Even if you're just having family dinner and you don't feel like cleaning up afterward and doing the dishes, these plates will get you through the night. And then when you're done, you can just throw them away. And these plates are friendly to nature, so you don't have to lose any sleep over that. Each of them has their own unique design, which is absolutely beautiful. So next time you have a get-together or a party that you're planning, you have found your appetizer plates.
And that's my point of view.